Hey guys, Rich Probert again from Steinbring Motorcoach in Garfield, Minnesota. We are at the International FMCA Rally here in Minot, North Dakota at the North Dakota State Fairgrounds. I am standing in the new 35-foot Newmar New Aire coach. We're excited to have it here for you guys to come through and look at. We'll have it back at our dealership this next week, but as of right now, it's here in Minot. So if you're at the FMCA Rally, please come and visit us. We're in the 4-H building and look forward to seeing you all soon. Have a great day.